Hey guys, so today is going to be episode 1 of my vendor series. I'm starting this new series on my channel, which is basically going to be me testing out different vendors, seeing which ones I like, which ones I don't like, for my wig business that I'm going to rebrand and relaunch. I also might change the name of my company. I'm not sure yet. I'm not quite sure. But yeah, I just received my first order of hair. This is a sample order from a vendor I have. I don't know if I'm going to be telling all the vendors, just because I did have to pay for some of them, but the ones I didn't have to pay for, I will definitely link that down below. If I do end up purchasing from those vendors, I was going to purchase a different vendor before this one, but I was seeing some sketchy reviews for it, and it was a local vendor. I think it's like an hour away from me. I don't know, I might just buy one bundle of that and we'll see how that goes. But this one seemed to have more positive reviews, so I definitely decided to try this out first. So I'm just gonna unbox it for you guys right now and we'll see what's going on. This vendor that I ordered from, I ordered from them Wednesday morning. It was like 3 or 4 in the morning, and today is Friday and it came like an hour ago. That was really fast shipping, so I just know if I ever need some last minute hair, this vendor can definitely pull through for me. 2 days. I've never had hair coming from overseas in 2 days, so that is amazing. I did order 3 bundles and a closure from this company. I ordered 16, 18, and 20-inch bundles and a 16-inch transparent closure, and it's 4x4. I just finally got the package open and I see they gave me a book. This is, let me see what's in the book. Basically has their different hair types and different grades of hair. Okay. I think I got the mink hair. Let me see. Yeah. Got the mink hair. I got their 4x4 closure. I'm gonna just put that to the side. And I'm gonna see what these bundles are looking like. The bundles look like they're a decent size. I feel like they could be a little bit bigger for the price I paid. And this is what the closure is looking like. It's a 16-inch closure. I don't know if you can see that right there. This is a 4x4 transparent closure. I'm gonna take it out the package so you guys can see what it actually looks like. I don't smell anything, which is good. Has some baby hairs in the front. The knots are actually kind of small, which is good. I don't know if you guys can see that. I'm gonna look closer. The knots are very small, which is a good thing for me. The lace is not thick and hard like other laces I have tried in the past. Looks like this. It's definitely 4x4. It's definitely transparent. This is it against my skin. It's not HD. They do have HD, but I didn't want to try that. And plus I heard that HD doesn't really last that long because it's a thinner lace. And it's really used for movie sets and whatnot. Pulling it, the closure, I did get 2 strands of shedding already. Okay, I got a couple more, maybe 6 strands in total. I'm gonna say about 10 strands. about 10 strands of shedding from the closure. Feels soft. The baby hairs do kind of feel a little dry. I'm not sure why that is, but hopefully I can do something about that and it won't be like super dry, because I am planning on bleaching this hair. Now we're gonna get on to the bundles. So these are the bundles, 16, 18, and 20 body wave, and this is their mink braid hair. I guess I'll just open all bundles, but I'm gonna start with the 16-inch. This is what the bundle is looking like. Soft. I didn't get any shedding from the 16-inch bundle as of yet. It smells like the closure, which is really nothing, which I'm glad, because some hair comes with a nasty kind of smell that's a little overbearing. Even after washing, you still kind of smell it. This is the size of the bundle. In my opinion, it honestly could be bigger. We'll see. I wonder how big their 26-inch wefts are. Like, if when you go longer, if it's gonna be even smaller than this, because this is kind of on the smaller side. So we'll see. So this is all 3 bundles together. Nice little body wave. I don't really too much care about the wave because I can always like flex around my hair or curl it. I am gonna be trying their curlier textures, of course, if this hair is good enough. But of course, if this is trash, I'm not spending any more money with this company. From each bundle, I got about maybe like 2 to 3 strands of hair that came out. And one of the bundles, like, it looked like a plastic string came out. I'm not sure what that is about. And when I look through the bundles, I don't really see any filler hairs. If you don't know what filler hairs are, they're like sometimes when you look in a bundle, it will be like blue strings or red strings or orange strings, things like that, or like hair pieces that are like lighter in color. Those are filler hairs, just to make the bundle like heavier, because bundles are supposed to weigh about 95 to 100 grams each. And companies, I guess, to be on the cheap side, they will add in the filler hairs just to make up the extra weight. So this is the 3 bundles in the closure together. I will be making this hair into a wig. I'm not sure if I'm going to wear the 3 bundles by itself at first, because I do want to do a U-part wig, or if I'm going to just make it all at once with the closure. Either way, you guys will know. I will be bleaching this hair because that's a true test of the hair. I also will be using heat, flat irons, curling wands, things like that. You can't just wear the hair in its like natural state and natural color and then think, okay, this hair is good, let me sell it to like millions of people. You definitely have to put some wear and tear on the hair just to ensure that this is quality that you are giving out to your customers, so you do not have any, you know, bad reviews or chargebacks or things of that matter. I will definitely be back with my next video of me bleaching this hair. Hopefully you guys enjoy this little unboxing, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.